These are miracle leaf cuttings or life plants. They have been rooting in water for 2 weeks. You can see the strong white roots and some leaf even sprout roots right from the hedge. Traditionally, these plants have been used in folk medicine in Africa for things like supporting wound healing and soothing minor inflammations. Now I'm moving them to soil. I used 2 part indoor pot and mixed 1 part perlite. And the perlite keeps it light and help with good drainage, which is key for any plant. I make a small hole and set the roots in gently. The big rule, don't bury the leaf itself, only the roots and stem. If the leaves sit in rust soil, it'll rot. I just tuck in the mix around it lightly. Last step is a light watering to settle everything, then it goes in bright indirect light. No direct sun for the first week while it recovers from transplant shock. I'll post an update to show how it's doing.